Hello and welcome to Takeoff Edu Group. We offer complete academic support for UG, PG, and PhD students in the fields of EEE, ECE, and CSE from topic selection to final thesis submission. Simulation of an auxiliary edge bridge-based bipolar-assisted regulation quasi-single-stage DC to DC converter research. Our services we can provide abstract, documentation, PPT and results. Abstract. In abstract we can provide this contents. Title, objective, abstract, keywords, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, block diagram, advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, learning outcomes. Document. In document we can provide this contents. Title, abstract, introduction, literature survey, keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3, based on project take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, results and discussion, conclusion and future scope, references. PPT. In PPT we can provide below contents. Title, abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, block diagram, control diagram, advantages, applications, software and hardware requirement, simulation results and discussion, conclusion, references. Let's discuss about results. In this work, the proposed quasi-single-stage DC to DC converter architecture combines a full-bridge LLC resonant converter with an auxiliary edge bridge circuit. The primary LLC converter handles the main power transfer, while the auxiliary edge bridge injects a controllable bipolar voltage to extend the effective gain range and stabilize the output voltage under wide input variations. The rectifier stage and output filter capacitor provide a regulated 12V DC to the load. This topology achieves load regulation through coordinated control of both the resonant converter and the auxiliary port. During different operating conditions, such as the auxiliary branch dynamically supports the main resonant tank by supplying or absorbing power, ensuring high efficiency and reduced current stress. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030333433.